Hey guys, what is up? Today I think I'm just gonna do an EDC update, and this is gonna be kind of a summer EDC type deal, since I do usually wear cargo shorts, so I have been carrying around my Max Edition micro organizer, and I've done a separate video on this. If you guys want to check that out, just got lighter, paracord, pill capsule, pencil, toothpaste, toothbrush, medical stuff in the back. Some just regular stuff that I might need. Randoms, odd and ends stuff. And that fits great in my cargo short. It's plenty small, plenty slim. Doesn't protrude really at all. Then I got wallet. And that's just the magnetic strip thing. I like that quite a bit. And I have started wearing the CRKT Minimalist on my belt. I'm pretty sure my last video I had it on as a neck knife, but I didn't like how you had to go underneath your shirt to get it, so I put the belt loop back on there, and it's been working great. So yeah, got a review on this. It's a great little knife, great backup and or primary. Oh, another thing, I took the lanyard off, and it works fine still. I really didn't need the fourth finger on it, so yeah. Got the Cold Steel Mini Tough Light today, and I think I like this over some other different knives, such as like the Rat 1 or something, mainly because of the blade style. I really like the Wharncliffe styles. I mean, the Rat 1 is a great knife, and I'm gonna be doing a review on it, so probably today or tomorrow. I don't know for sure. But the Mini Tough, it's a great knife. It's cheap. You don't have to be really scared about losing it. It's semi-deep pocket clip. If I have something to show you guys, use this here. Yeah, it's pretty deep, and you got plenty to hold on to and pull out, so that's nice. And there's the catalog. So yeah, that's primary, secondary, so great knives. And I'm just have a Fox belt. Got my phone, Verizon, the Commander or something. iPod Touch, that's cracked to crap. I got my keys. Got these little things are just great. I usually carry money in them. Got my flashlight, which is just beat up. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a new one because these things work great. It's the Streamlight Keymate, and these things are just completely awesome. They're super bright for being so small. I think they take 357s, which they're not that bad, but yeah, they're super bright. Then I got the Spyderco Honeybee on my keychain, which is a nice knife to have if you really need one. I probably don't need one because I got a primary backup, then backup, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing else that I gotta really tell you guys. But yeah, I'll be doing some more videos. I'm gonna upload a video here pretty soon on the overnight trip that I was talking about in my previous video. And yeah, just how that went and kind of what I carried. So I will see you guys later.